There's so much hype surrounding the Honor 200 Pro and its portrait photography capabilities. Want your portraits to look like this or this? The secret is the Studio Harcourt filter and the AI features. Hey guys, it's Mika again. Today we're getting up close and personal with Honor's AI Portrait Master, the Honor 200 Pro. It's the newest member of the Honor N series, which has a stellar reputation when it comes to photography and performance. Let's find out whether this AI Portrait Master is worth the hype. First off, we have a very soothing, nature-inspired design for the rear. This one is an ocean cyan, featuring subtle wave-like strokes, adding a unique and elegant touch. If you want a more minimalist design, Honor has neutral colors in black and moonlight white. Meanwhile, the camera layout makes a great accent as it's inspired by patio windows of Casa Mila in Barcelona. Another thing commendable about the design is its slim and light form factor. The curved edges make it comfortable to hold even after long hours of use. At the same time, it feels very premium with smooth matte finish. Here's a quick look at what's inside the box. Up front, what greets you is a 6.78-inch quad-curve floating display with 120Hz refresh rate and 90.8% screen-to-body ratio. Let's cut to the chase. The visuals are stunning, details are so crisp, and colors are vibrant. If you like action-packed movies, you'll see how smooth the visuals are. You'll also instantly notice the rich colors while watching animated films like Inside Out 2. Of course, aside from flaunting stunning visuals, it's equally important to have eye comfort features, and thankfully, the Honor 200 Pro has a lot. This includes 3840Hz risk-free PWM dimming, AI circadian night display, adaptive dimming, natural tone 2.0, and low blue light hardware. It also has TUV rainland flicker-free and full care display certifications. Okay guys, we're down to the main event, the Honor 200 Pro's triple camera system that's loaded with AI features. You have the 50-megapixel main camera, 50-megapixel telephoto camera, and 12-megapixel ultra-wide and macro camera. We're all hyped up because of the Studio Harcourt filter. Honor collabed with the iconic Parisian studio to recreate the timeless portraits the studio is known for. You have 3 filters to choose from: color, classic, and vibrant. Just look at how elegant the photos came out. The AI worked its magic in order to give depth to photos through the AI shadow and light enhancement. The AI artistic style enhancement adds the final touches to help achieve dramatic photos. It's able to balance exposure so all details are clear, not washed out. You can see how it's able to highlight the subject while the background fades away seamlessly. Even when capturing shots in motion, it still exhibited sharp details without blurred edges. It's almost as if you were taking a photo of a static subject. You can thank the AI motion sensing capture. In photo mode, it was effortless to take beautiful shots. Colors and details really pop. It's consistently good, and it doesn't matter if you use 1x, 2x, or 2.5x zoom. You can also change the photo profile if you want it to be natural, vibrant, or authentic. Even when shooting at night, it still retained the details. You can barely see noise in these photos. When using the ultra-wide and macro camera, it's impressive that they were able to keep up in terms of quality. This is perfect if you love taking photos of vast landscapes. If you're an IG reel type of person and you do a lot of panning and movement while shooting, then you can count on the Honor 200 Pro to give you stable footage. For selfie enthusiasts, you'll love the 50-megapixel front camera. I didn't struggle taking pics even when there's harsh lighting. The background isn't overexposed. In fact, you can see how sharp the details are. This makes me excited to take it on a beach trip. The Honor 200 Pro runs on MagicOS 8, which leverages AI to provide users a personalized and highly intuitive experience. You have the familiar-looking Magic Capsule that gives you easy access to notifications such as calling, timer, alarm, screencasting, and music playback just by simply tapping. My favorite would be the Magic Portal. Do you ever come across some cute outfit on Instagram but you don't know where to buy them? Well, you can easily search and shop for that now with a single drag. Here's what you have to do. Take a screenshot of the outfit you like, Drag it towards the left or right edge of the screen, then drop it on Search Image. You can crop it if you only want a specific item, like the bag for example. Then there you go, name of the bag and where to find it. You can also use this feature to drag texts and images to send it to your friends and workmates easily. The Honor 200 Pro also has something to flex under the hood. It's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 processor, paired with 12GB of RAM expandable up to 12GB and 512GB of storage. That said, I expected great things in terms of moderate day-to-day use and occasional heavy loads. And I'm happy to report I wasn't disappointed. I tried playing Asphalt 9 at the highest graphics setting, and I didn't encounter frame drops and lags. For content creators, you'll be happy to know that its performance was consistent while I was editing short-form videos on CapCut. If you're guilty of running multiple apps and opening several tabs all at once just like me, that's not going to be a problem because of the generous memory of the Honor 200 Pro. And if you have a habit of spamming the shutter button to get the best shot, the large storage will definitely come in handy. Next up is battery and charging. You'll be surprised with how much battery it packs given its light form factor. It's built with a 5200 mAh battery, which lasted for more than a day even with heavy use. I was able to answer several emails, shoot content for long hours, edit videos, post and scroll through social media, and catch up on my favorite Netflix series. So that's a lot. When you run low on juice, the 100-watt Honor Supercharger will power it up from 0 to 100% in just 50 minutes. I can't count how many times the Honor 200 Pro has impressed me. It surely lives up to the hype. It has aesthetics that will turn heads, display that will wow series bingers, performance to keep up with gamers and creators, and all the smarts for user convenience. Above all, it shines in portrait photography. For the price point of $29,999, its versatility is enough to entice all types of users, but with its photography skills, it's worthy to be on every budding and professional photographer's list. So that's a wrap. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you soon.